How to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unblock yourself on Instagram app if someone has blocked you. Now, if you're trying to look into your profile but you have been blocked by the user and you can't chat with them, you can't text them, and you can't view the profile at all. So, unfortunately, there is no way to unblock yourself if you have been blocked by a user on Instagram. However, if you are trying to reach out the user and you have been blocked by them, what you can do, the alternate way or the alternate solution is to create a new account or to create a dummy account and then text them or view at their profile through that account. This is the only way you can view someone else's profile, or you can reach out to someone or reach out to the user that has blocked you on Instagram app. There is no other way. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.